morning to crew. Oh my god, I feel like I'm on the boat right now. Today wind is crazy and today is a day that we are gonna take a break, not holding a camera, just relax, sleep kind of like really nicely, wake up late, and then we are not gonna move for a while. But man, today wind is crazy. Mark told me that it's a 60 knot maximum. We are heading to that kind of point. It's 1 p.m. Wind will be stronger, so we have a 45 minutes. We do like okay, just like wait in here and then see, but we decide not to do, and we are gonna like move our car towards to the building or kind of other obstacles that can block the wind. Oh my god, I cannot talk. I feel like I have a seasick right now. You can see. I don't know if it will catch the wind sun or not. Our roof vent is closed, but it's kind of crazy. Mark.
I can barely walk outside.
그래?
Yeah.
Oh my
Get
god.
my keys.
의자하고는 다 어디
I put
뒀게?
behind the electrical outlet.
아 그래?
Yeah.
So we are gonna move. We gotta quick, cause better to, do it. All right. No break, huh? We are moving. Bye bye. Mark is driving. Oh my god. Wind is crazy. Oh my god. Sand. 미쳤나봐. Today is this one. 아 그래? So no place to hide it, huh? So we thought this area would be better, but it's still windy too. I don't know where we can avoid it. Oh yeah, it's hitting. I'm gonna go. Our wires are sticking out right now.
I think this area, the wind is kind of funneling. It's better just to stay where we're at.
Okay.
And just face the wind.
Guys, it's just crazy. I went outside and that one is the worst.
See how it's against that wall over there?
Oh my god, look at the sand.
Yeah.
Glowing.
Crazy, yeah.
Guys, our plan is failed because the area is the worst. And our like our Wi-Fi repeater is like getting crazy. 언니야 조심해. 어머머. Oh my god. 날라가. 보잘것없이 날라가. 너무 종이조각처럼 날아가는 거 아니야? You're like A4 paper. Oh my god, I can see ghost is coming. The sand.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Sand. 어머머. Oh.
One thing they said is in strong wind, our van will tip over. I just had to do this to her.
뭐 만드세요?
Today,
How to make it call? Are you feeding 6 people?
I'm starting a soup kitchen.
춤 그만 춰. 차가 너무 흔들려. 스파이 윈도다.
Oh my gosh. Is that enough bread, Lucy?
당연하지. 그 정도는 먹어줘야지. 잘 먹겠습니다. 맛있다. 진짜 맛있네. Alright, good morning TV crew. I hope you guys remember that our solar panel issues in Senegal. Now I wish we had wrapped our car.
We're not expecting that,
Oh.
but we are almost out.
Oh my god.
One last little dip.
아니 저쪽 분이가 별로 도로 좋아 보이진 않는데 표정이 점점 나 안 좋아지고 있어. Oh my god, tree, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, our solar panel.
I'll have to double check them.
I was eating the meal at the restaurant. He just took off. He didn't show up, so I went to TV, and Mark is working on the solar panel.
One alligator clip.
Alligator clip.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh.
Oh my god.
Let's go ahead and turn on the solar. See what happens. Solar panel is back on. Please work. Please. Nope.
Guys, we don't have any good news. Just frustration and tiredness, and just over here, Mark tried everything possible. You can see a little bit messy right now. It's temporarily just put it in here. We didn't clamp it down yet. Just want to check the voltage and everything. Mark is quite, frustrated like me. I'm sure he's more frustrated because he tried everything's possible. Yeah, phase 3. Mark is working on the solar, right?
Alright.
So he's using a meter and then mark that, which is positive and negative, right?
Yeah.
So we are gonna slowly figure it out. Hopefully we can have a little bit of resort. If not, it is what it is. Try our best and try to see how it goes. It's working. It is working. 47.7 volts and then 2.8 amp.
Yes!
It works. Thanks to Lucy.
Thanks to Lucy, as usual.
Somehow I just leave you alone whatever you're doing it, and when you get trapped and we just talk through, right?
Yeah.
Somehow it just works.
It always works that way.
Uh,
These guys here are the culprits. Somewhere from here down to the circuit breaker, the wire is broken. That's gonna be a major job to fix. So I've got everything temporarily clipped up together, you can see. So I've got to permanently connect these and waterproof them. So work is not over.
so that is our result of our solar panel. We're just gonna leave it until when we can find a place that we can stay quite chill. That time we fixed it temporarily. You guys can see the wires went outside of this little window. So we travel like that, and finally we're gonna fix it today. Well, I'm not excited about it because it will be a lot of work. When we built our TV 2.0, we didn't think smart way to build a furniture. So if we wanna put the wire back properly, we gotta take down the back cabinet. We gotta take down the front cabinet. Also, we gotta take down the this wall. And after that, we can find all the wire and then cut it and then rewire them. So yeah, it's a lot of work.
Are you excited?
완전 핸드메이드네.
Wow.
봤나? 내 힘 봤나? 내 손가락 땀의 힘을. 오케이. 오, 팔이 죽은 거 봐. 더러워? 더럽다. I felt like we can just take off the wall. I thought it's done, but actually Mark said wires are going through the roof. So I gotta take this one too. Sorry.
1, 2, 3.
guys, you can see that our furniture is outside. We put it up there right now. Mark is quite busy, right? So we need to finish it before it gets dark. So Mark is working on it. Dirty yoga man. Black one?
Oh shoot!
What?
I've got the gland on.
Oh na. Okay, I will push it back. You're pulling the black one right now. So you gotta cut the wire, right?
So just take a second. Get
알았어.
it back on.
So we gotta put it back again. You can hear the Mark is so annoyed because he forgot to put the gland outside. So yeah. Okay, second chance.
Yep. Red one first.
땡긴다. Yeah, easy. Guys, we changed the wire from the solar, and then we, changed the wire connecting systems for our LED, because it was hard wire. We had to cut every time, so we just changed the clip. So it's getting late, and we're gonna put the roof, right?
Yep.
All right.
Let's put a couple screws on the roof first.
그냥 hold.
Yeah,
okay?
I got it.
Let me find the correct screw. 아니 나 괴롭히면 이렇게 계속 있으면 되겠네.
Alright. You got it?
Got it.
Okay. Second.
I'm regretting. Oh my god.
Okay, I got it. It's in. The roof looks good.
몸살 날 것 같아. Guys, we fixed solar panel and we put everything back, roof and sidewall, and Mark is cleaning up the window, our broken window, right?
Yeah.
My side is broken right now over there, so we are gonna figure it out later. Actually, we are not sure we can find the parts, but anyways, today is the day that we are gonna leave this campsite. It's really nice to stay here, and today we are gonna head down to Agadir because TV has a little bit of problem on suspension and then stabilizations. I don't know how to say it in correct way. We are gonna go to Agadir and check up on her and how she is, and hopefully we can fix it, right? Hopefully we can fix it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready to go?
Almost.
Alright, let's get ready then. 켰다. 레블링 블럭에서 내려와야 될 때가 왔어. 그렇지.
내 가슴을 다 바쳐